Alright guys, today we are in Abu Dhabi and I've seen a really nice restaurants around this area and I was wondering if we could try some. So honestly, kagabi ko lang siya nakita nung naglalakad-lakad ako sa area na to. Kasi yun, feeling ko masarap, feeling ko it offers good quality food and I think we should see it ourselves. So let's go and walk. Grabe yung init ngayon. Parang nasa pagun, parang nasa oven. So sa mga kababayan ko dyan, yung area na to is sa may side ng Airport Road, likod ng Madinat Zayed. So ito siya. So yun, for sure naman kasi maraming mga kabayan dito, lalo pag gabi, pagka bukas na yung shops and hindi na mainit yung climate, yung araw, pag medyo malamig na, yun, maraming naglalakad-lakad dito, pupunta sa mga restaurants, sa mga tea hub, mga tsaahan ba. Tayo naman, tanghali ang ating trip. Ano tayo ngayon, hanap tayo ng lunch. Kasi alauna na ngayon dito ng hapon eh, hindi pa ako kumakain. So we'll see. So yung restaurant na sinasabi ko, dito ko siya nakita sa kalye na to. So yun, grabe yung init mga gar. Parang hindi sila ban. Let's go. So yun, sa area na to is andun din kasi yung mosque sa likod. So I believe kakatapos lang ng dasal nila. So medyo nasabay tayo sa maraming tao. So ito siya mga gar, yung kahapon na nakita ko. Hopefully open siya. Open siya. It offers Arabic, Chinese, and Indian cuisine. Check it out. You open? Huh? Video? Yeah, it's my Facebook account. This is yeah. Let me try your best food here.
Okay, best food Shanta restaurant Madinat Zayed. Should be there.
You have menu?
Yeah, come.
Okay. Was it here?
Yeah, here.
Thank you. So yun mga kaibigan, we are set and waiting for the menu.
I am good. You know what I reviewed again? No, semi.
Thank you bro. So ito yung menu nila. Ganun din, mga kebab, mga biryani, and mga Indian food. So I guess we gotta try their kebab. Bro? This is available?
Yeah.
And then one Coke Zero.
You have Pepsi.
Pepsi. Yeah, Pepsi. So yun, yung order natin is napunta sa Mutton Biryani. Actually good din naman siya kasi it's one of my favorite Indian cuisine and hopefully masarap siya and not too spicy. So yung name nga pala ng ano na to, restaurant na to or yung cafeteria na to is Shatter Cafeteria and Restaurant. So dito lang yan sa may likod ng may Madinat Zayed. So, labas lang kayo sa likod and lakad lang kayo ng kaunti kung nasa Abu Dhabi kayo. Madinat Zayed tapos likod. Thank you bro. So yun, lahat nga pala ng mga ganitong cafeteria and restaurant dito, merong mga pa-complementary na vegetables like this. So, meron niyang onions, Tapos yung green na lime, meron ding pepino, carrots, and a lot of different spices. Sauce here. Thank you, bro. Ito, parang ano siya, yogurt. And this is, I believe, yung tomato na merong sili ata yan. So yeah, it's a standard here. So if you dine here in UAE, in India I don't know, but in UAE at least, sa Middle East, standard yung mga ganitong servings. Mapa-complementary na sauce and then vegetables na pika-pika. Thank you, bro. So, if you're going to ask me, hospitality service, it's 10 out of 10 already. Napaka-babait ng staffs and hinayaan tayong mag-video kahit nakukuha yung mga mukha nila. So that's good. That means hindi sila parang close-minded. And sinabi ko naman sa kanila na ma-upload to sa YouTube or sa Facebook. Then they were fine. And here comes the main event. Mutton biryani, ha? Thank you so much, bro. Looks nice. So yun, dumating na ang ating order. And we should try this for ourselves.
If you don't mind, can I take some video for you?
Yeah, sure.
Have mic and video.
Yeah, no worries. Ito, kain muna tayo. It is freaking hot. Kain muna tayo. Kasi tayo ay nagsasalivate na or naglalaway. Ito, we have the mutton here or yung lamb meat and then of course the rice. And yung sauce ito hindi ko alam, piling ko masala yan. So yun, let's try with one hand only. The perfect bite. Classic mutton biryani. Tastes like India. Spices are there. Hindi masyadong ma-oil and perfect na perfect para sa taong gutom. Biglang patay na palaban sa review. Look at the camera. Set up. Nice, bro. So what should I do?
Just eat and just tell some how's the food and all.
Yeah. You let me know, huh?
No, I'll tell after.
What is the name of the restaurant?
Shaka.
Here. Alright, so we are about to taste the Shatter's mutton biryani here in Madinat Zayed at the back. So first bite. Classic Indian food. The spices are there. Sauce, masala. Very good. This is masala, right?
Yes.
No, okay. All good?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't know what to say.
Your name?
Ed.
Yes. You are in Instagram?
Instagram, yes. Ed Jesus.
After
Yeah. What can I have Pepsi?
हाँ पर
किधर नीचे?
हाँ नीचे
So yun. Review done. So yun guys, grabe ang solid yung pagkain. Munti ka na siyang maubos. It's just that, ang dami kasi ng volume ng kanin. Pero overall, it's good, spicy. Not so spicy. Yung spicy niya is parang mild lang. Tamang-tama lang para sa isang Pilipino kagaya ko. So, tara, bayad na tayo. How much? card? Ah, ito. How much total?
23. 23.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sa baba daw ang bayad. So let's check out. Our bill is 23 and 50 cents. So, bro, card payment? This new restaurant?
Shatter.
Shout out.
Shatter Madinat Zaid. Good. Shatter.
Yeah, here's the contact number.
Contact number.
Card, please. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Alright. And just like that, we have eaten our lunch today. So, ito na tayo. We're going back towards our accommodation. Wow. Hindi, sa room natin. So, yun lang. Great experience. Bago lang pala yung shop na yun. And, nagpa-review sila ng mga food nila kasi they want to get your feedback on, the taste and texture and how is it like to eat their, specialties. So, yun. I gave my honest review because it is yummy. It is salivating. The masala is good. Not too spicy for a Filipino guy like me. And I must say, it is 10 out of 10 because it is. Masarap siya. I mean, kumbaga kung yung pagkain na yun may implement sa Pilipinas or kayang dalhin sa Pilipinas ng for everyday life, I think sobrang sobrang convenient niya and sobrang pasok siya sa mga taong medyo mapikit yung trabaho kasi yung volume kasi ng kanin is napakadami and yung meat din naman hindi naman tinipid. So yun, that's my honest review. It is good. It is, bottom line, salivating. Talagang napakasarap ng masala. So yun lang for today. I hope meron kayong napulot na something mula sa akin, and I will see you next time, guys.